Don't make boring white rice this festive season. Try this delicious, quick, and easy white rice recipe. Welcome to the Sumptuous side of YouTube. My name is Teresa Metuka, and you're highly welcome to my channel today. The rice I'm using is basmati rice, but this works perfectly well with all types of rice, either long or short grain. This method works in all forms of rice. So the first thing you want to do is to wash your rice thoroughly. Wash it like 3 or 4 times. This is to remove the excess starch from the rice, and also this will help with the texture of the rice, so your rice won't stick together when cooked. So make sure you wash this very well. If you're new to my channel, it's good to have you here. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button, turn on your post notification to get notified when I drop a new video. So this is another day of Vlogmas, and we've been uploading from the 1st of December. We're going down to the 25th. So you want to turn on your post notification so that you can get notified when I drop new video. You can also check my other previous festive video. I have lots of amazing delicious recipe that I've dropped, from cake to pastry to food, all sorts of deliciousness. So you want to go there and check this video. So I'll be dropping the link to the Vlogmas video at the description box so you can get inspired this festive season to create something delicious, tasty for yourself, your family members, and friends. After washing your rice thoroughly, the next thing to do is to cook the rice. So you want to add the rice to boiling water. The reason why you should add the rice to boiling water is that it will result to the rice staying fluffy. Your rice won't stick together, and it will also save you time. You are going to cut the cooking process into 2, and then season your rice with salt. So the next thing I usually like to do when making my own white rice is to add enough water, and then I taste the rice. If the rice is soft, I drain out the excess water. Very important, drain out the excess water until there's no water in the rice. And then after doing that, it's time to mix up the rice, make it look delicious and tasty with some sweet corn and carrots. Mix this together up very well so that all parts of the rice can have the sweet corn and carrots. Then allow this to just simmer for just 8 minutes, and guess what? You've transformed that boring white rice into this deliciousness. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, don't forget to like, comment, and share. I would love to hear from you. So tomorrow we'll go again. You can pair this rice with any sauce of your choice, but I'm going to be uploading a sauce very soon, a very nice Nigerian rich red sauce or stew that goes perfectly well with this rice. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you tomorrow. To have a wonderful and beautiful day. Bye. Lots of kisses.